Everyone sick of the hustling culture would love the freedom of being their own boss and earning money online. You may choose your timetable and have complete freedom. Most significantly, you may make a passive income that will satisfy you and your bank account. Joining an affiliate network may be the best way to make money online out of all the options. Affiliate marketing expenditure has increased in recent years, with estimates indicating that more than 80% of all businesses have some type of affiliate program, making your potential as an affiliate nearly limitless. You must, however, pick the best program for you. In this video, we have rounded up the top 12 affiliate marketing programs and products to promote in 2022. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the countdown with Number 12. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the most well-known affiliate program. While surfing the web, you've probably come across hundreds of Amazon affiliates in the last few days alone. Amazon has elevated affiliate marketing to a whole new level. You may advertise any product accessible through its e-commerce shop, including food, apparel, accessories, and unique home decor. You'll have no trouble finding great things to market whatever your specialty and audience. The Amazon Associates program is simple to utilize. You may get started right away, making it ideal for beginners in affiliate marketing. The income is significantly lower than expected, but you will always be paid in whole and on time, typically about 30 days after your follower has made a purchase. Number 11. 𝐿. 𝐿 is an affiliate network that is rapidly growing in popularity. It doesn't have as many products as Amazon, but it does have a wide range of categories that most influencers, bloggers, and site owners would find appealing to their audiences. Finance and insurance, retail, telecommunications, and travel are among the categories. You'll be at ease with over 200,000 publications and 16,500 affiliate marketers on this site. One of the significant advantages is that 𝐿 has a Chrome plugin that instantly makes affiliate links available for use. Although it is a new network and has already established itself as a solid platform for affiliate marketing, so you will not be disappointed if you join. Commission Junction (CJ) is one of the oldest affiliate networks, operating for almost 20 years. It has thousands of customers all over the globe, so you'll have no problem selecting a brand that fits your niche. Even if you're a newbie, it's simple to join up and begin collaborating with your favorite businesses. Number 10. ClickBank. ClickBank is another fantastic network with years of expertise. It has over 6 million customers globally and is known as one of the most generous networks available. Depending on the company with whom you partner, as well as your reach and overall success, you might earn up to 90% commission on purchases that you help produce. You will almost never need to receive pre-approval from your selected company before you can begin utilizing their affiliate links. You could get quick access to marketing materials, company logos, pre-sale sites, and more, making your work much easier. Number 9. Flex Offers. Flex Offers is a small network with approximately 12,000 affiliate programs and 500 advertisers, but this company is just getting started. Education, entertainment, automotive businesses, sports, and even legal services are among the brand categories available on the platform, so you can easily find one that fits your niche. You'll need some affiliate experience to get started with Flex Offers. A well-designed website with high monthly traffic is also required. Number 8. Impact. Impact is frequently cited as the best affiliate network for newcomers. It has a well-designed user interface that provides a clear insight into your performance and key metrics. The sign-up process is quick and simple, and most brands will immediately accept your partnership. The support staff at Impact are responsive, and the instructional articles will teach you all you need to know to get started. Number 7. 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤. 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤 is a member of the 𝐿 network and provides many of the same advantages as its parent company. It has thousands of brands and marketers and provides innovative solutions to connect them. You'll have a smooth application process that is completely user-friendly. You will receive competitive rates, on-time payments, and responsive support that is always available to assist you. The most important thing is that you'll be able to see all your performance metrics, such as conversion rates, average performance, and earnings. Number 6. SkinLinks. SkinLinks is one of the largest affiliate networks with over 24,000 brands using it. You may be as picky as you want with your affiliates, selecting just those who connect with you. You will be given a link-generating tool to produce ready-made affiliate links to monitor. You'll also discover novel methods to monetize your forums by using all of the user-generated material on your site. Number 5. Canva Affiliate Program. Canva's online publishing and content creation capabilities are ideal for the brand's affiliate program. You may earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro member that uses your referral link to sign up for the service. Affiliate partners enjoy personalized customer service, including 24/7 email and chat, as well as quick, flexible payments by electronic bank transfer or PayPal. Because cookies stay for 30 days, you may earn money from conversions for up to a month after someone clicks on your referral link. The affiliate program for Canva is open to designers and social media influencers with at least 1 million followers. Number 4. ConvertKit Affiliate Program. When you work as an affiliate for ConvertKit, you'll get a 30% commission on every conversion that comes from your referral link for the next 24 months. Anyone may join the platform, which helps online producers expand their audiences. So if you're new to online marketing and don't yet fulfill the qualifications for bigger affiliate programs, it's a terrific place to start. You'll get webinars, images, videos, and other multimedia elements to help you market ConvertKit on your own site. Number 3. VigLink. VigLink, also known as Sovern, is a popular affiliate network. It has easy-to-use automation tools for creating affiliate links. You won't have to create or organize any affiliate links. Simply add the VigLink code to your website and everything will be taken care of. The tool will go through your site and look for names, places, keywords, and key phrases. It will then add your unique affiliate link wherever it is needed. The network is simple to join and use, and you'll have no trouble finding your favorite brands, products, and services. Number 2. Monday.com Affiliate Program. Monday.com, a supplier of productivity software solutions, receives praise for prioritizing openness. Affiliate partners benefit from extensive, accurate data and clearly defined payout levels, including a reward plan that provides up to 100% profit on sales made by your recommended clients in the first year. You may monitor your profits in real time and get monthly payments through Stripe or PayPal. When you join Monday.com, you will also have access to a comprehensive set of marketing services to help you maximize your possible earnings stream. You'll have access to links, social posts, banners, and other media. You will also have a member of the affiliate team you can talk to about problems. Number 1. HubSpot Affiliate Program. HubSpot is a great site for content producers to get tools and other useful resources. According to the company, affiliates earn an average of $276 each month with a 90-day cookie window that helps improve possible conversions. After publishing a piece of affiliate content, you may choose between a flat 100% commission on the first year's earnings or a 15% recurring monthly fee for up to a year. Fill out the quick application to become a HubSpot affiliate. Once you're approved, you can start making money from referrals by making promotional materials with affiliate links. This wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give us big thumbs and subscribe to the channel.